If you're driving through or just curious what this stop's like, you're in the right place. Today we're rolling into Montrose, Colorado, checking out Blair's truck stop. Like, if you've ever stopped here, drop your go-to truck stop in the comments. And subscribe to OlInSi Traveling. We hit the good, the bad, and the ones in between every Sunday. Let's go for a walk and look around the place. Now, this ain't one of your big chain travel centers like Love's or Pilot. It's more of an old school local stop. Parking here is pretty limited. You won't find rows and rows of pull-through spots. The fuel pumps get the job done, but they can be a little tight for bigger rigs. If you're running heavy or late at night, better have a backup plan. Stick around, I'll show you what they've got inside. And we'll take a look around a lot. If you're the type that likes a small town stop with less traffic, Blair's might work for you. But if you need showers, wide parking, and all the bells and whistles, you'll probably want to keep rolling. Like if you've ever stopped here, drop your go to truck stop in the comments, and subscribe to OlInSi Traveling. We hit the good, the bad, and the ones in between every Sunday.